this and then I hit my preset, it goes to find the end and then it's measured. Because it worked both those times, and the saw is working better now too.
Today we're working on Waratah processor head. This is 622B, and the problem with this head, photo eye stopped working. We have a Caterpillar 320D FM chassis. I talked to the operator. He said photo eye hasn't been working for a couple years since they bought this processor head. There's a place where the photo eye is located. Why it's important to have working photo eye. Photo eye finds the end butt of the tree and measures from that 0 point up automatically. Looks pretty dirty to me. Yeah, needs to be cleaned better. Anyway, I already got a laser photo eye Axis Forestry original replacement part. We'll keep it in the package. If we don't need it, we'll return it. And also I bought a wiring harness just in case if we need it. We're all set to get it fixed. But before doing any repairs, let's jump in the cabin, confirm the issue and see what we have. Alright, let's get to the setting menu, go to our sensors and see our find end photo cell is selected on a computer screen. As you can see, let's take a mark off and reselect. Alright, and get to the main menu, and as we can see,
Yeah.
Nothing.
Red saying that it's not working. It should be green.
it should be green, and we'll make it green eventually. Okay, before turning everything apart, let's just blow all that sawdust with a compressed air. Everything just starting with the basic cleanup. Very often it saves the money. Yeah, okay, let's blow all that sawdust, make it clean as possible without removing any parts yet, and see if it will help. Yeah, if this video is helpful, informational, educational, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it doesn't look very clean to me. Lots of sap stuck to the glass. Let's try to wipe it with a paper towel, see if that sap will come off. I doubt it, but it doesn't take long to try, and yeah, check it out if it will help. Yeah, no way. Alright, I'm going to take a cover panel off, 1/2 inch wrench. Yeah, let's pop that cover, and Windex glass cleaner, our inexpensive helper today. Let's try to wipe out that sap. When you process coniferous trees, there's lots of oil in them, and soda sticks to the eye. And let's just make it clean as possible and check it out. Alright, what do we have? Let's turn the flasher on. Here we go, not too bad, looks pretty good. Alright, also let's check the wiring harness connection to the main computer. There's 3 tiny wires to the Diag connector plug, and over time those wires will get brittle and break off. There are tiny little 22 gauge wires. There's the main brain computer. Normally that wiring harness never breaks from the eye. Yeah, before getting to the connectors, let's just blow all that sawdust, dirt, debris off the computer connectors, and you can see. Alright, here's a Diag connectors, and there is a wiring harness coming from the photo eye cell. As you can see, harness is just resting on top of the computer. Not good. We have to secure it, make sure it's not rattling around. And let's check the connector. Alright, here's the 3 wires: power, ground, and signal return, to keep the photo eye happy and send all the required signal to the computer to process. Yeah, wires are intact, nothing is broken. Did a tug test, and yeah, it's good. Okay, let's turn our machine on and check our photo eye operation. And as you can see, when laser photo eye detects see the object, it turns orange. When it doesn't see the log, it turns green. Here we go, green and orange. Now it should measure, and it's working so far. Let's check the operation and how it works. Okay, let's get back to the machine and run a couple logs through the processor head and see if machine will see the end, find the end of the tree.
Because if I grab it like this and then I hit my preset, it goes to find the end and then it'll measure. Because it worked both those times, and the saw is working better now too. So maybe it just needed to be cleaned out. Measure those and make sure the find end thing worked properly, and then we'll see.
No parts required to repair again. Never fire the parts cannon before you do preliminary checks, basic diagnosis, and photo eye is back to life and it measures automatically. Perfect length, no mistakes. Check it out. Good to go. See you later.